What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm using my phone to record this part because, as I said, my camera is like real messed up. Depending on how much space I have in my phone, I'll see if maybe I want to use my phone to record all day. The quality is obviously better, like it's brighter and all these things, so I hope it works out. But anyways, yeah, so welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how, like my monthly maintenance routine, things that I do every month. But I'm mainly recording it because Christmas is in 2 days, and for some reason I always got to be fresh for Christmas. I always got to be fresh on Christmas. Hair got to be fresh, nails got to be fresh, everything got to be freshly done. Even though I just did my nails like last week, so I mean, I'm in water a lot, so yeah, I could use a filling, but I want to redo my nails because, as I said, every Christmas I always get it like freshly done, no matter how fresh it is. I'm not putting on any makeup today. My appointment is at 10 o'clock, and it's actually 10 o'clock only because it's like up the street. But anyways, yeah, that's the first thing I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Okay guys, so I'm back home now, got my nails done. Very similar to what I had before, I just put white this time. Just to have it look a little festive. But anyways, yeah, so got my nails done. Got my wax, Brazilian wax, underarm wax. And my braids are still a little fresh because I did them last week, but I'm gonna take it out because I have this wig from this company, All Love Hair, I think. All love hair. And I bought this, I think it's a 22-inch body wave, but because it's body wave, it just seems really, really short. So the color is 427 and it's body wave. So I am gonna get that installed. It doesn't look like too natural, like it could use some plucking, but I've never been a fan of like plucking the whole lace and all that stuff. I'm just like, as long as it doesn't look wiggy. Like when I put it on, I'm gonna try it on right now for the first time. I don't know, I feel like, oh my gosh. It's crazy already. I don't know if this color like washes me out. I don't know, but I bought it already. I don't have to wear it because I buy a lot of wigs and I don't wear them. I have a lot of wigs, but I just recently got this one. I love the way it feels. It feels really nice. So might get that installed. I think I am gonna take my braids out. It's just like the braids are just so easy to maintain. I just get up and go. This, I feel like it looks a little crazy right now, but I feel like once it's installed, maybe trimmed a little, maybe I'll cut it like shorter, style it, install it, like get it sewed on, so it's permanently, so it's like on my head permanently. But yeah, I'm gonna get that done. My braids are just so easy to maintain, like I just get up and go. So I'm trying to convince myself that I don't need to redo my hair, but I am gonna redo my hair, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So what I'm about to do right now is shave my eyebrows. I always shave my eyebrows on my own because I can never find somebody that does it. So all I do basically is just like brush them out. I don't like them shaved like too thin, so that's why I like to do it by myself. But I like to like just shave right here just to make it a little sleek, and then trim the tops with some scissors, and I'm Gucci. Okay, you guys, so this is my final review. I got my wig installed and I decided to straighten it because it's a little thin, so the curls don't really pop. So if I decide to like curl it in the future, I'd probably add some extensions to it, and then, you know, I feel like it will be better. But I like it so much better with when it's straightened, and I love it. It's just so cute. And I also got lash extensions, you guys. I haven't gotten those in all year because we know Corona. So this is the first time I'm getting lash extensions since the entire year, and I love them. They're just really simple and fresh. And this was me on Christmas Day, you know, just after a busy day, getting ready to take pictures with my kids and with my family and everything. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, you guys. I am going to insert some pictures that we took on Christmas Day at the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.